There's some pro hoopers that don't get love like this, bro. Professional basketball players, there's a lot of professional basketball players that don't get love like this, bro. Crazy. That gym packed too. That gym packed out. All young bulls though, but still packed out. Nah, I ain't gonna lie. If I'm warming up for a basketball game, I see the other team on the other end doing TikToks, bro. Come on, bro. At this point, it's not even real hoops for real. It's not even real hoops, bro. They doing TikTok dances for their warm up. Nah, Ray lit though. Ray lit.